Would you buy your dream home today if you only had to pay 50% now? And that's exactly what's happening at Brigade Valencia. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Brigade Valencia, which is located in Electronic City, South Bangalore. And this project is developed by Brigade Group. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project, so let me show you the surroundings. Here's the clubhouse just behind me, from where they are operating their marketing office from. The land parcel is right over here. This is the phase 1 followed by phase 2 and the main entrance is right over here. So before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Where else in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end. Now let's discuss about the project overview via 3D model. Brigade Valencia is spread across 24 acres of land parcel where we have commercial development. Residential development consists of two phases. Focusing upon the phase 2 where the tower is rising from 3 basement, ground plus 27 floor, where we have availability of 4 BHK plus maid's room. Additionally, you get 85% of open space. And this project is based upon Spanish theme. Now about the location part, and our project is located bang on Srinagar Kanyakumari Highway in Bombay Sindra, Electronic City, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, whereas this is the main entrance of our project and this is the Srinagar Kanyakumari Highway, whereas this road will connect you towards Chandapura and the opposite side road will take you towards Bombay Sindra metro station. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. You can connect to Narayana Hospital in just 800 meters. Bombay Sindra metro station is 2 kilometers away and Wipro, that is 6.8 kilometers from our project. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you 40 plus world class amenities. Like of yours, the 35,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. You get kids play area, multi-purpose court, swimming pool, skating rink, floral garden and much more. Are you looking to buy a home in Bangalore? Then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project. Is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our video. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. Coming to the super built up area, where this project consists of 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK plus maid's room premium residencies, where we have availability of only 4 BHK plus maid's room. Rest of everything is completely sold out, where 4 BHK plus maid's room is starting from 2491 and goes up to 2540 square feet super built up area with no common walls. Coming to the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. Additionally, we have 50-50 payment plan open now. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Brigade Valencia by Brigade Group, located in Electronic City, South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.